In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a favicon on Godaddy website builder in just about 5 minutes. A favicon, if you're not familiar, is that tiny image you see on a tab in your web browser. It's not just a decorative element, it helps users identify your website quickly on a bookmark bar or among open tabs, adding a professional touch to your site. First things first, you'll need to ensure you're signed into your Godaddy account. So let's begin by navigating to the sign-in page of Godaddy. Here you'll be prompted to enter your username and password. Take your time to enter your credentials correctly to avoid any login issues. Once you've entered your details, go ahead and click on the Sign In button. This action will take you to your Godaddy dashboard where all the magic starts. Now that you're logged in, it's time to access your website editor. You can do this by clicking on the website option. This will bring you to a page that showcases all your website settings and options. From here, locating the Edit Website button should be straightforward. Click on it to proceed. This action will transition you to the website editor, a place where all the tweaks and personalizations happen. Once in the website editor, your next step is to find the Settings panel. This panel is crucial as it contains all the under the hood settings that control various aspects of your website, including the favicon. Navigating to this section should be easy, and once you're there, be on the lookout for an option labeled Favicon. This option is your gateway to adding or changing the favicon for your website. Take a moment to familiarize yourself with the layout of this section if you need to. Understanding your tools is key to efficient website management. Upon finding the favicon option, you'll want to click on it. This will take you to a screen where you can upload your favicon photo. But before you do that, let's talk about what kind of image works best for this. Your favicon should be a square image, ideally 32x32 pixels or 16x16 pixels for optimal clarity. Ensure that the image you choose is a good representation of your brand, as it will be one of the first things your visitors see. It's also advisable to use a simple design due to the small size of the favicon. When you've selected an appropriate image, proceed to upload your favicon photo by clicking on the designated upload area. After you've uploaded the image, it might take a moment for the change to reflect across your website. It's also a good idea to clear your browser's cache, or even check the site from a different browser to see the favicon in action, as sometimes cached data might not show the updated favicon immediately, and just like that, you've successfully added a favicon to your Godaddy website. This simple yet effective touch not only contributes to your site's professional appearance, but also enhances user experience by making your site easily recognizable among a sea of tabs. It's important to periodically review your site's favicon along with other website elements to ensure they remain aligned with your brand's image and messaging. Small updates like these keep your site looking fresh and engaging for returning visitors. As we wrap up this tutorial, I hope you found these instructions helpful and easy to follow. Adding a favicon might seem like a small step, but it's nuances like these that set a professional website apart from an average one. If you have any questions or need further assistance, don't hesitate to explore additional resources or reach out for support. Your website is a dynamic extension of your brand, and it deserves your attention and care. Happy website building,